Do you have microphone? You're arrested for stealing from me. Come, colleague, come. He's a thief. He's a thief.
Oh, what did he do, bro?
He's stealing on our village.
Who did that?
A ti shrodhi bab kur I kam thënë policia.
Mos go që. Oh, you Bob Joe.
Allah'ın teneke normale başlamıyor.
Press.
What? You Bob Joe, 88.
Hey, Blub. Are you Blub? Make a note if you're Blub. Who are you? Why are you stealing on our on our village, man?
What was that?
I never played before. Ooh, you wanna be with us? Are you alone? You wanna be with us on group?
Për me pështu bëthën, bashkërën.
Oh, so you don't wanna be? Okay. Come with us. On your feet. You're going to jail. Go. Oh, that's enough. So ma ki bloku. Come here. Come. Come here to the police station. Come.
Ata bleni helikopter.
That's what kids and here. I never played before, nigga.
A I kiqet që ata jo.
Ja. Move! Hey, move! Illegal Mexican, move! Is this true Daisy experience? O ka shkruan! Listen! Yes, this is Daisy experience. Come into the police station, man. You don't steal anymore on Berzino. This is our city, bro. I'm the chief here.
Normal, başlamıyor. Teneke normal.
Qërë njeri, minjarë mja e kryt. Don't be a terrorist, colleague. Come. Police station is here.